This is called the reversible coupe by Marx Manufacturing Company, toy company out of New York. And the reason it's called the reversible coupe is because if you switch it on, it actually takes off. You can see it take it off by itself, but it'll hit something, and then reverse and go backwards. It hits something that way and it reverses this way. Makes a lot of noise, but it's called the Marx Reversible Coupe. It has the original rubber bumpers, and when it hits something, it goes the other direction. Beautiful example.